welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, BAHABABE has sent me some beautiful shampoo and conditioners. This packaging, guys, you guys are going to flip. It is like naked ladies. I love it so much. It's like naked ladies in rose gold. I'm like, it is amazing. BAHABABE is an Australian brand. They're vegan and cruelty free. So this must be our shampoo and conditioner. So these are the packaging here. So it's just a black bodice of a body with a nice kind of rose gold writing and detail there. So let's start with the shampoo. So Floral Teas Lush Volume and Repair Shampoo, sulfate free, salon quality, a deep cleanse for maximum volume and repair, safe to use on color treated hair. So I've got color treated hair, so we'll have to put this to the test and have a look. Again, cruelty free and vegan, got all the details there. So let's give it a smell. Kind of looks a bit foamy. Oh my god. I don't know, I think it smells like watermelons. I don't even know. That smells freaking amazing. That smells so good. Holy shit, that smells so good. Alright, and then we have the conditioner. Sulfate free, salon quality, instantly detangles and improves hair quality for nourished, stronger and shinier hair. Well, I need stronger and shinier hair. Come on, BAHABABE, hook me up. So these retail for $39.20 Australian dollars. Used to be $49, but now they're much cheaper. So I feel like $30 for a bottle of shampoo and conditioner is actually really good compared to the skincare anyway. If you were wanting to try it, that is a very cheap alternative, but we will see next when I get in the shower what the shampoo and conditioner are like. So let's go. So I just washed my hair out and yeah, I'm kind of concerned with how much the shampoo was kind of stripping of the colour out, but then it almost seemed like it wasn't stripping that much out once I put the conditioner in. It's kind of like it was setting in, which normal shampoo and conditioners do anyway. And because they did say that they're really good on coloured hair, I'm like, nope, I trust it, I think it will be fine. Alrighty, so let's take this out. Give it a wee towel dry. And let's see if I still have any pink left in there. Alright, still have a lot of pink left in there. So yeah, it feels real clean. It seemed to work pretty alright. I found the conditioner did make it nice and soft, because it does feel really nice and soft now. But I did find with the shampoo you needed a few pumps for it to actually lather. It wasn't a very lathery shampoo as you guys would have seen in that a clip of me doing my hair. So my hair is not like 100% dry, but it's just, it honestly takes absolutely forever to dry, and I'm just like, I don't have time for that. I don't have time to dry it all up. But I've dried this section here, and I'm not gonna lie, my hair actually feels amazing, and that's not just because of the smoothing balm and all this other stuff here. Now I know that stuff would help, but normally when I do it, it's kind of like my hair is like a little bit crispy, but honestly, it like, I don't know if you can see, like you can obviously see how damaged my hair is, but you can see how it's actually flicking down a little bit there, and normally it sticks straight out. So the fact that it's flicking down means that the shampoo and conditioner must already be causing something, because look, Look how much that's flicking down. I should have done a test beforehand, but you guys have seen in other videos how like damaged my hair is and how it just sticks straight out. But it's actually got some fall to it. See? Still got some sticky out straight bits, but look, it's actually got some fall to it. So I'm actually really impressed with this shampoo and conditioner. For the price point as well, only about 20 bucks per bottle when you think about it, since they are like $40 for the two. I think that that's actually a really amazing deal, and I feel like I need to get some more because I'm not even joking. Like, you guys can see how my hair is not sticking straight out. It's actually falling down. So I'm like, oh my god. Because at first, honestly, I was kind of really, I'm not gonna lie, I was really afraid. Because you guys saw how much color was just running off. But it's actually held the color really well. Like, I don't see any blonde bits or anything like that. It's still a very, very bright shade of pink. It actually looks pinker than it normally does. Normally it looks quite red, so this actually looks quite pink. So I'm like, what's in here, girl? It's making my hair looking more pink, which is actually really good because I love it looking this kind of pink. I'm like, oh, it looks like I've just had my hair done. Like, well, anyway, that was my review on the BAHABABE shampoo and conditioner set, and I'm also in love with the packaging as well. I'm just, like, when they arrived, I took like 1,000 photos, which you can see on my Instagram, because honestly, I was just like, oh my god, I love these. They're just so beautiful. You can follow me at Cerise1307 on Instagram, and you can also buy these at www.bahababe.com. So yeah, if you guys want to pick yourself up some of these or anything else that's there, they've got so many interesting products. Like, I just want to try more. I'm like, shout out, like, BAHABABE, you want to send me some more stuff? I'm keen. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, and until next time, once I've actually like dried all my hair and done some makeup, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!